Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you guys, that's right, a Jimmy John number 15 club tuna. And these are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. You're going to need some lettuce, washed off, cleaned up, and all that good stuff, okay? So make sure you wash your produce. You're going to need a cucumber, kind of still wet here. You're going to need about 3 stalks of celery, right here, washed up and clean, everything. Tomato, washed up and clean. You may need 1 or 2. And you're going to need an onion. And of course, you're going to need some Hellmann's mayonnaise. You're going to need some soy sauce. You're going to need some tuna. These, let me see how much this is. This is albacore tuna, matter of fact, okay guys. Let me see, this is 12 ounces. So that's a total of 24 ounces that I'm going to be using today. And you're going to need some provolone cheese here. All right, and not last but not least, you're gonna need some Jimmy John bread. This is day-old bread. I paid 50 cents for this loaf of bread. All right, we're just gonna cut it in half. We're gonna make us about 6 sandwiches, okay? But you guys only gonna see 2. All right, so I just bought this bread not too long ago. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take these over here to my slicer and cut this stuff up nice and thin. Yeah, about like that. Nice and thin, okay, for the sandwich. Alright, see you guys in a minute. When I get back, we'll put this stuff together in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you the stuff that I chopped up. This is what all I chopped up. Okay, you got the tomatoes in there, you got the onions, and the lettuce. Alright, so they chopped up about this thin right here. Alright. Sliced up, I said chopped up. I don't know what I'm tripping on. Here's the celery that I chopped up thinly. This is the provolone cheese right here we're going to use. Soy sauce on deck. Put that over there. Here's our tuna. I already opened up the can. I'm just going to go ahead and move this to the side. So we got to squeeze that tuna. This is what they do. I'm telling you, I used to work there. So yes, you're gonna get a lot of this water and stuff like that in there. So what you want to do is just squeeze it. You don't want a wet tuna fish sandwich. So you just squeeze it. Comment down below if you guys got any other recipes, like any restaurant recipes that you want me to make for you guys, and let me know. That's what this is all about, showing you how to save you some money and feed all your family without having to spend a lot of money. Just like that. See all that came out of that can? It's a dang shame. So this is the tuna fish right here. And squeeze. I'll squeeze this one. Now they have some cans like about 4 times the size of this when they make their tuna. So what I used to do is just take it out chunks and squeeze it with my hand instead of pressing down like that because it's too much. Just like so. And this is what you got.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like a router
Alexa,
issue, so try restarting.
Be quiet.
Unplug the router, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in.
Alexa.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like a router issue, so try
Alexa,
restarting it. Unplug the router, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in.
Alright guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about Alexa. She be making a bunch of noise, don't you? See all that juice? Water. Alright, we pour that out. Bring our bowl over here. Take our tuna. Put that up in there. Get all the tuna I can get out of that can. Put that in the garbage. And make sure you take out your garbage. So make sure your garbage is almost like full when you throw away these cans. Or throw it in a little bag, or like grocery bag or something, throw it away. Because we'll have your house smelling like tuna all day. Another little trick you can do too, if you don't want to do that, and you made that mistake, you can take some baking powder, some baking soda, and put it in there. Alright, that's how much tuna we got right there, guys. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take this soy sauce. We're going to put like 2 tablespoons. That's about 2 tablespoons. We're going to take the celery. We're going to put that in there. Like a cup. Chopped finely. This is it. Pretty much. Alright. We're going to come with our nail. Our helmets. About that much right there. And we're just gonna mix this up. They don't use a lot of mayo in there, so I'm telling you now. They don't put no salt, no pepper. You know that soy sauce got salt in it. Okay, that should be it. That's what we're looking like. See if you guys can see that up close. That's what we're looking like, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. So, next thing we're going to do, start prepping. I'm showing you step by step how to make a club tuna. Jimmy John. Now Jimmy John, they use a scoop, like an ice cream scoop when they make theirs. So we're just gonna put that in there. Wash my hands off a little bit. Alright, take our bread. I'm just showing you guys 2 sandwiches now. I told you I'm making like 6. This is what they do. They go just like this. Try to line it up evenly like that. So I'm coming right up in there. Looks like somebody's gonna be short. They look about the same, don't they? Yep. Alright. So what they do, come out here. I should have been using the bread knife. Like that. Take this. Then they just come and peel this out. Just like this, guys. Nothing hard. That's all they do. And they throw that away. But if you go to the shop, they just throw it on the ground, or if they have a bucket or something by them, they'll put it in there. And the tripped out thing about when I was at Jimmy John's, I know you guys getting tired of me talking. I was actually a delivery driver. I rarely was sitting making a sandwich. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take us some tuna, like a scoop of that, like so. Just like that, guys. Nothing hard. Oh, the wrong side. You gotta put this in the filling part. Yep, number 15. Don't believe me, go there and find out for yourself. Put a little bit more over here. All right. Then we're gonna come in here with our cheese. Well, actually, we did that really wrong. So, see if I can make up for that. Take you some lettuce. Should put the lettuce on first, guys. And then the tuna. Okay? So remember that. Lettuce first, then tuna, then cheese. Like this. Alright, so we'll come in now with our cheese. Get 2 slices of those. Okay, I'm turning this back around here. Like that. Put a little bit more tuna on this bottom here. Been a while since I've been at Jimmy John. Alright, then we're going to come with our tomatoes. Well, come with our onions. They don't have to be pretty, and then, I mean, they don't put them on there like I'm putting on there like now. They do like this. Like that. And come with our tomatoes. Should be 3. There's a small one right there. I'm going to go ahead and put 4 on. Just like that. Cucumbers. And close that bad boy up. Just like that. Let's close this one up without wasting. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up and hook it up for the presentation, and then I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Finally done with it. This is how you make Jimmy John Club Tuna, number 15. Alright? So here's how that looks. Alright? Yes sir. That's how you do it, guys. So let me know down in the comment section, do you want to see me make any other recipes from a different restaurant? And I'll be happy to try to make it for you. Okay, this is all about saving you money, okay, and eating on a budget. All right, so if you like this video, guys, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, yes sir, you know what I'm about to do, huh? Hit that bell. Come on, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.